those sticks are like molded. Look at them, moldy sticks. But these are so pretty. They look like a rolled up tongue to me. Then they have some arrangements over here. On clearance for $10. And some orchids on clearance for $8. Fun fact, I still remember all the words to this song. Here, ooh, I see another pia tree. Clearance plants. I'm sure I don't hit them. Good prices. They look like they're doing good because they're like right in the sun too. Lots of Venus triflaps for $1. All of these are $1, yo. I just might do it. Garland ivy. So I have some garland ivy for $1. The Awareniki Dracaena. She's not doing too bad either. Dark mysteries, some dark mysteries, lots of them. Just looks like it's getting too much sun, that's all. I have tons of plants over here, tons of ferns and ivies. And a spider plant too. I decided to get the Warnicki Dracaena Daraminensis. These Latin names are full. So you guys, I'm back. I want to get a planter for this one. I think it's like, okay, 3.8 inches. So I need like a 4-inch planter. They have a classic white one right there in the center of the frame, which I might get. Oh, but they have this 5-inch planter. I like that one. It's a little big though.
Yo.